Hey Wannabes, we're taking the new tow vehicle out for a spin today. Diego's doing some errands. I'm gonna take her to a coffee shop. If you don't know why we're in this new whip, check out our latest video. Come on guys. Good, how are you? Can I get an iced vanilla chai latte?
Alrighty.
Look what I got you.
Oh, thank you.
Of course, baby. Oh, first sip.
Let's go to Caras Park.
Out to lunch at Caras Park has been going on for years here in Missoula.
It's during the summertime every Wednesday from 11 to 2. They have live music.
But most importantly, they have food trucks. They got Peruvian food, pizza, Thai food, all the foods.
And our goal for today is to try one item from all of them. So.
There's a lot of food trucks though. It looks like there's like 10 or 15.
What are you guys thinking?
Found our first victim. No. All right, we made a lap around the arena. Found our first victim.
The arena?
What are we, in Houston? And our first victim is ceviche.
Yep, let's go.
The truck is Pumas Peruvian Kitchen. Come on. Hi. How are you?
Good, thank you. What can I
So you're way up there. Can we do the ceviche?
Ceviche, of
Yeah,
course.
we do one of those and share it.
Guys, who's the worst truck here?
Pardon?
Who's the worst truck here?
The worst? I think every truck is amazing. It would be really hard to say that.
The ladies hooked us up. All right.
It's got oysters.
Mushrooms.
What is that? Red. Oh,
I'm good.
red onion. I think these are sweet potato chips. Ooh.
I don't know what this is. Tastes good.
Okay, take a bite.
Peruvian trucks. The ladies were so great. Love talking Spanish to other Spanish speakers. And then them having them turn to Ashlynne and be like, do you speak Spanish? But let's see.
Habla español? No. No. That?
I think so.
I'm scared. Very limey.
Very refreshing.
Good though. A good start.
I'm sorry, I just spotted beef kebabs. Are you kidding me?
No. It's my turn to pick, and we're getting dumplings. So I get the small?
Sure.
Beef and pork, potato, mushroom, and leek. Oh, half and half, obviously. Whatever we do. Alaskan style Pelmini. Whatever that means.
So are these dumplings?
These are dumplings.
That was gonna be a cute moment. You feed me. That was wrong. Stop number 2.
Not as Asian as I thought it would be.
What's that one soup that has like
Wonton?
no, there's a soup.
Egg drop?
It's not Asian at all. But it's got like little gnocchi. That's it tastes more Italian. Texture wise it's more Italian than I thought.
Good. Maybe we should dip it in the butter.
I want to dip it in the butter.
So what do you want next?
I think I want something to drink.
Yeah.
Stop number 3, my choice, arepas. Deli Arepas with an arepa con queso.
Aioli or mayo or something?
Oh, the garlic mayo.
Before stop, we're trying Sa-Wa-Dee Pad Thai. What time is it? I know. I was saving it for last. Oh my God. What are you gonna get instead?
What happened?
I sold out. Should we find someone who already bought the pad thai and be like, can I have a bite? Please.
sounds a bit wrong, but I mean, if you want to. That was rough to watch.
All I want is
But we're gonna try kebabs instead. Alright, we ended up at Kamoon. Mediterranean?
Oh, I don't know. Waffles Mediterranean.
I'm pretty sure it said Indian cuisine. That might be wrong. That's fine. Let's see how good this is. Ashlynne has already taken a bite. What happened?
I'm about to ask. Do you have any more of the pad thai, or is this sign expired?
No, but we still have a couple.
Okay, can I do one of those?
Like chicken and tofu.
Chicken.
Alright, so Hawkeye's over here spotted that there was actually 3 more pad thai left.
Where did they come from? I don't know, but I don't care. And we bought it. We bought the pad thai, and we got a limeade. And I think this will be our last stop.
Yeah. 5 stops total. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 10 food vendors. So we hit half of them. That's good.
I like it.
Yeah.
Picasso.
All right, last stop is Sa-Wa-Dee food truck, and it's pad thai, baby, with all the toppings.
Good. Damn. All right. Okay, we're walking the streets of Missoula, checking out all these little shops because we ate too much. We need to walk this off.
Yeah.
But here's what we think of every food truck we had today.
I would say that my favorite food truck was obviously the pad thai. I waited the entire time. I thought I wasn't gonna get it, and then I got it. So my favorite. And then my least favorite would probably be the falafel, mainly because I made it at home myself, and it was stunna. Killed it. So I should open my own food truck.
Okay, for me, the Deli Arepas was my favorite one. The vibes, the team was great, and honestly, if you can't get an arepa or anything, like I'm gonna pull a total Barcelona here. If you can't get it right with cheese, you can't get it right with anything else, and that was really good. And for me, I can't really say I have a least favorite, mainly because I just really enjoyed the vibe. Everybody was great. I do want to honorable mention the Puma, the Peruvian food truck, because even though the ceviche was completely different, mushrooms and oysters hit. Did I just unlock a new hat?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the
pretty good. Fits you well. Okay, go.
Little boy? That's my wife you're talking to. What do you think? The good dad hat?
Yeah, it's a good night.
Oh, film this. I'm gonna go ask him again. What if I beat you at rock, paper, scissors and have this for $15?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, let's establish some ground rules.
Okay. Is it on shoot? Yes. And the best 2 out of 3.
Did you even look? Did you even look at the price of that?
It's $30.
Okay. I was like, is it already $15?
Let's do best 2 out of 3 on shoot.
Okay.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Oh, 1 and 1.
Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper,
Oh God.
So close.
Almost had it.
Consolation prize.
Thanks, guys. Overall, 10 out of 10 day at Out to Lunch at Caras Park. If you're coming to Missoula for the summertime, you definitely have to check it out. They also have downtown tonight on Thursdays.
Yep.
So if you're not looking to be in the heat of the day, you can go at nighttime.
Yep. It was really fun and great, and I ended up with a new visor.
Consolation prize.
I got it for $15 though.
Hey.
Great guy.
That's a fair price.
If you need fly fishing gear, this is where you go.
I want to be.
Big old boy messing around with his girlfriend. She was tall and tiny, she kiss just right, but I'll never do that again.